If you think plantain tostones are the crunchiest, wait till you try this recipe. Peel and cut a kilogram of cassava. Slice the cassava, but remember, make them thick. Curious yet? Stay tuned, it's about to get good. On the stove, add cassava to a pan with water and a pinch of salt. Here's the trick. Cook until soft, but don't let it fall apart. Trust me, I've made that mistake before. When it's perfect, remove the center if possible. It can be tricky. Let it cool. This step is crucial. Now, place plastic wrap on the table and flatten each slice. I'm curious, which country are you watching from? I love knowing who's supporting me with each recipe. And I can't forget today's shout out to Salenia Sabogal from Colombia and Talia Udin from Chile. We've already flattened our cassava chunks. Now to the blender, because this dish isn't complete without an epic sauce. In the blender, we'll add a spoon of mayo, 1 of unsweetened Greek yogurt, 2 garlic cloves, and the secret touch, fresh lemon juice, a handful of cilantro or parsley, and salt to taste. If you're drooling like me, comment "I love cassava" for a shout out in the next recipe. Blend it all up and bam! Check out how this sauce is coming along. It looks so good, I can't wait to taste it. But first, let's get to the main event. We'll head to the stove and heat up a pan with a good splash of oil. Once it's hot, we'll brown our cassava tostones. This is where the magic happens. We flip them carefully, ensuring they're golden brown on both sides. While they're cooking, tell me, where are you watching from? Let me know so I can give you a special shout out. Today's goes to Amarilis Alvarez from Spain and Juan Luis Rodriguez from Costa Rica. Thanks for always supporting my people. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a pinch of salt on top. Trust me, this is way crunchier than any plantain tostone you've ever had. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 1 to 5 to let me know what you think. Listen to that sizzle. This is insane.